value of root 3 is given and the options given to you are in plain figures rather than root 3 these thirds, then you'll have to solve this 1.73 also. Okay, otherwise keep it as it is. So that's the required answer. Next, find the area of the shaded portion, this dark. Okay, what is this called? Okay. See, this is known as sector, and this dash which is divided by the chord is known as a segment. This is minor segment and this remaining one is a major segment, and which is subtended at the center, the angle. This whole portion is called as a sector. Okay. So we want area of segment. This segment is what? Area of this sector minus this area of triangle, right? So we'll have to find them separately. Area of sector is what? What is this sector? This angle is given as 120. Total circle is 360. So area of sector will be 1 upon 3 into area of that circle, that is pi r square, right? Radius is 21. So let's solve this one by one. So area of sector equals to 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 21 into 21. 462, right? Solve it yourself. Okay. 462 cm square. Now area of triangle. This is a bit difficult. Okay. Let's start. In this triangle OAB, we'll divide it into two parts. Means we'll draw perpendicular from O to AB. So what will it do? It will bisect this chord AB, right? And also it will bisect the central angle, that is 120 will become 60, right? So let's name this as C. So what is this triangle now? OAC. In this triangle, this angle is 60, this is 90, OCA is 90, and OAC is 30 degrees, right? Okay. So OA equals to 21 now. Cos 30 equals to cos 30, this one, AC upon OA. That is, you can also solve using 60. I have done this using 30. You can do it using 60. So cos 30 equals to AC upon OA. Therefore AC equals to what? OA into cos 30. But cos 30 is root 3 by 2 and OA is 21. We know. So it becomes 21 root 3 upon 2. Therefore AB is what now? See here, AC you got it. AB is twice AC. So 2 into AC. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha, plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.